development of the machine, there are many risks that can jeopardise the ability to actually input that machine into the production line on time and within budget. So how can we do this in the planning and concept phase?
Yeah, this is exactly what virtual commissioning can offer you. So in those initial phases, the ability to test what-if scenarios with minimal risk, in a complete safe environment. Trying out different scenarios, but also minimizing possible errors that would come through in the future. Even applying physics to the most basic of 3D models, boxes moving on a conveyor. You can start testing things like throughput, energy consumption, security. So it really does add value and speed up the process in those initial phases.